This time, Take-san will create a QR code for this channel instead of cooking. Using the March 2024 version of Chrome, you will create a QR code in 10 seconds. 1. First, select the 3 dots in the top right corner of Chrome. 2. A pull-down menu will appear, from which you will select Save and Share. 3. Select Create QR Code from the Save and Share menu. A QR code will be created. Click Download. The download is complete. The dinosaur icon QR code is complete. The same is true for smartphones. Open Chrome on your smartphone and go to the site. Click the up arrow on the right side of the search window. A pull-down menu will appear, select Create a QR code. 3. Click Share. And save it as you wish.
Oh, it's easy.